Hey, Kathleen here. I'm reviewing these two carry-on pieces of luggage from Luggex. They are very similar in terms of size. This one has a little computer area in the front that I'm going to show you, and it is 7.9 pounds and 36.1 liter capacity that it can expand up to 42 liters. This one is 7 pounds, no computer area, and is 35 liters versus 36 liters and can expand up to about 40 liters with the expansion area. So let's talk, this has reinforced corners also. So let's look how they function. They really function the same on the twirling and the caster wheels. The handles, the telescoping handles are amazing. And then this one as well. So, I mean, they're the same company, so technology, very similar. Okay, so we know that those work well. So let's look at the differences. So this has the computer area, so let's take a look at that. So this can come all the way down, or there are little zipper things so that you can keep it so that this door stays open and up. And then it's got a little bit of padding here for your computer, a tablet, a little bit of area here for a mouse. I would probably put the mouse and the cable inside because oftentimes this won't close. Otherwise, it really only fits your computer and a tablet and maybe a mouse pad. So that's pretty cool. And here on the side is a USB-C and a USB-A port that would hook into your energy supply, power supply that you would have in there. So that's pretty cool. Okay, inside it's probably not going to be that much different. You've got this area for clothing, and this expands 2 inches. So that gives you a lot of capacity for clothing. This side is for undergarments. You could put some toiletries in here because this is plastic and would protect. And then you've got this that unzips. And you've got an area here for like jackets, shoes, hair dryer maybe. While this has more capacity overall, it has 36.1 liters versus 35 liters, you do have that computer area. So that, is part of the reason why you have that extra capacity. Now this one is similar. You can see that this one also has a handle here on the side, but let's see what it's like inside. Okay, so similar / same with the little protecting strap. It expands, has the same area here to protect your toiletries, to hold your undergarments. But this has probably a little more capacity because it doesn't have the computer area on the other side. So I think the bottom line here is, do you want one that has the computer area to store your computer so you can get it out easily? And then this one doesn't have the computer compartment. Both are almost the same capacity, a little bit different weight, 7.9 versus 7. And one of these is definitely going to work for you because they're both excellent.